You've got what it takes. You work hard, you're reliable, and you take pride in knowing you're ready for any situation. Meet the KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2, designed to go where rugged is required. Equipped with the power you need, you'll stay on top of what matters throughout the day. Built to military standard A10G, this Android smartphone stands up to drops, shock, and extreme conditions, and boasts IP68 waterproof and dustproof certification. With gloved and wet screen operation, the Pro 2 can be used in cold, wet, or muddy conditions. And with Band 14, FirstNet Readiness gives you access to dedicated platforms available to first responders to help make communications safer, faster, and more efficient. When the job is critical, you can rely on AT&T Enhanced Push-to-Talk. With one press of the oversized dedicated button, you can have an instant conversation with a single person or a group of people. You'll capture what's important on the super wide view 4K action camera, or use a body-worn camera solution to better protect and serve your community. When you're ready, just tap the button to start recording. The 5-inch Full HD Dragontrail PRO display is impact and scratch resistant. And with AT&T Workforce Manager, you can easily modify orders, get signatures, and more using the touchscreen display. The KYOCERA DuraForce PRO 2, made to stand up to tough conditions, ready for critical operations, and designed with the power and features you need. A force to be reckoned with.